Hey, skillful savvy learners. Today we're going to crack the lid off one little secret that makes search engines see your site just the way you want them to. Yes, I'm talking about the mysterious yet mighty. So, in the previous class we learn in depth about robot tag and robot.txt file. And also is the all about robot tags. And today we learn that how much robot tag is really important for our website SEO. Well, let me break it down into 5 simple ways, so let's start without waste any time. Point 1. Control over indexing. So think of it almost as if you have a super secret diary. And you definitely do not want everyone in the world to read it, right? That is where the robot tag comes in. It would tell search engines how many pages they should include in the search results and which they should avoid. Using a noindex is like a whisper to Google, saying, "Please don't put this one into the limelight." Great for pages such as those thank you notes or those members-only sections. Point 2. Telling search engines. Now, let's assume you have links to other pages. But you do not want to pass on any of your SEO love to them. That is where the follow a tag comes in. It is like saying to search engines, hey, follow the yellow brick road, but skip that shady shortcut. Extremely useful if you do not want certain links to affect your ranking. Point 3. Optimize your crawl budget. Search engines are sort of like busy shoppers with a list. They only have a finite amount of time to crawl your website. So you really want to make sure they are focusing in the right places. Robot tags further prioritize which pages should be crawled first to save time and get you more visibility for the right content. Point 4. Managing duplicate content. Got duplicate content on your site? No worries. Robot tags can step in and say, only index the original. Thank you very much. This way, you avoid confusing Google. And your main page gets all the credit it deserves. No duplicates to mess things up. Point 5. Keeping private pages private. Last, but certainly not least, if you have some super sensitive material you'd rather the world didn't stumble upon, a robot tag of a noindex has got your back. It's like putting up an invisible force field around your content. Peeking's not allowed. And robot tags are like your own personal website bouncers, making sure only the best and most relevant pages show up when someone searches. Pretty cool, right? So, like I said, if you want to stay on top of the SEO game, give those robot tags a little love and attention. Don't forget, this was helpful, so hit that like and subscribe for more super important part of SEO from Skillful Savvy. See you next time. Goodbye.